Oh, Mary's gonna love this. Oh, oh, my cerebral cortex. Oh, I can't see. Oh, that's that. Dude, what are you doing? I'm trying to find the reason. Hey, man. Oh, dude, I think we should go. Dude, we really should go. Oh, dude, we really need to go. Oh, shit. Mary, I got him. Oh, wait, you're dead. Oh, dude, it's bad. It's real bad.
Dude, calm down. Thanks to you, we don't know what the hissing noise is.
It was the man who shot me.
Dude, just shut up.
Welcome to Staples. Hey, Staples guy? How do I know I'm getting the best price on this laptop? Staples will match our competitors' pricing.
Nice place you got here.
Yeah, we do what we can to survive. Anyway, let me check your friend's vitals. Whoa! Relax. It's not even loaded. We took all your stuff before you even got into the building. Anyway, let me examine the real. I'm sorry. But your friend's taking a nap.
A nap? What? What?
Hey, what? It's okay. It's just the way of life. Nurse! Thank you. Hey, it's okay. It's okay. Just take these snacks, wait in the waiting room, okay? Alright. Nurse, we have a code green. Please alert this boy's mommy. Also, bring me the thing. Thank you. I'm going to Disney World! What's going on?
God damn it, I still can't find this hissing sound. What kind of hooker charges for a vest anyway? I mean, I guess it's the apocalypse.
Oh, hey man, I thought I'd find you here. So, did you find the hissing noise yet?
No, not yet. I'm getting close though.
What is your problem? Oh, not again. Oh.
Hey, I found it!
No! Go.
No! Sorry.
Well, in front of you.
Yeah, that's true. You don't have to say it that loud, but...
Okay. Oh.
Dude.
There's a security car right there.
Whoop, whoop.
Go.
Whoa! You did it too early.
Whoa!
Whoa.
Or you could say whoa.
3, 2, 1.
Where you going? Come on, Cade, you gotta say no.